Hi everyone, this is Simple Dad here. In this video, I'll show you how to set sound for when you remove or reinsert the S Pen. So on your Samsung S25 Ultra, you can customize the sound effects for pulling out or reinserting your S Pen for a satisfying and a personal touch. So here as an example, I'll remove my S Pen. And when I reinsert it, so these are the two different sounds which you can apply to your S Pen when it's removed and reinserted. So let me show you how to set this. So first you want to go ahead and open up the internet browser. You can go ahead and find any sound. So I've here used a lightsaber sound. So I've downloaded these two sounds. Now once you've done that, go ahead and open up the Galaxy Store. In this Galaxy Store, you need to go ahead and search for an app called Good Lock. This is the app you need. Go ahead and install this app, then open it. Now in the app, you're looking for a plugin called Pentastic. Tap on this. Now scroll down and in the sound section, go ahead and swipe left. So these are all the sounds that you can use. Basic, Heart, Lisa, Cookie. But if you want your custom sound, tap on Custom. Here you can go ahead and choose your remove sound and your reinsert sound. So here I've chosen already my remove sound and my insert sound, and I'll tap use, then I'll tap home, and now that sound has been set. So when you remove your S Pen and when you reinsert it, you'll see that sound effect for your S Pen for your Samsung S25 Ultra. So this basically adds a fun and a satisfying feel for using your S Pen, and it can also alert you if the pen isn't properly inserted into your Samsung S25 Ultra. So there you go guys, that is how to set sound for when you remove or reinsert the S Pen on your Samsung S25 Ultra. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone or any other social media apps, then don't forget to subscribe to this channel to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful.